Our topic for today is all about the point slope form. Okay, so this is the second way in finding the equations of the line in standard form. Kasi diba last time, our topic is all about the slope intercept form. So point slope form, the formula is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So iba din yung formula, diba? Kasi sa slope intercept, that is y equals mx plus b. And tuwing kailan ba natin ginagamit yung point slope form? So, we are using the point slope form, again, base na din sa pangalan niya. Okay, if the given is a point, okay, pag sinabing point, coordinate, okay, so may values si x and y. And again, a slope. Again, the symbol for slope is m. Okay, kung marerecall nyo, di ba, dun sa slope intercept form, ang given ay si slope and si y-intercept si b. So, di ba nagkaiba na? Doon si y-intercept tsaka si slope. Dito naman si point, okay, or si coordinate tsaka si slope. Okay? Now, yung mga papalitan natin dyan sa formula, okay, of course, yung slope. So, ito ulit si m. Okay? Then, yung coordinates, x, y, or x sub 1, y sub 1. So, ito yan. Si x sub 1, at saka si y sub 1. Again, yung matitirang x and y, those are the variables. First given, find the equation of the line in standard form given m equals 3 and coordinates to 1. So, first again, we're going to identify what is the given. So, we have here the slope and coordinate or a point. Okay? So, this is m. This is the slope. And itong coordinates, this is a point. So, therefore, we're going to use the point slope form. Okay? The formula again is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Okay? So, ang papalitan again is m, x sub 1, y sub 1. We already know the value of m, which is 3. So, dito sa point na given, identify lang natin kung sino si x sub 1 and y sub 1. Diba, always remember that in a given coordinates, lagi nauna yung value ng x bago yung value ng y. So, 2 will be x sub 1 and 1 will be y sub 1. So, using again this formula, we're going to substitute the value y, okay, minus y sub 1, that is 1, equals m, that is 3, times the quantity, so times the quantity of x minus x sub 1, which is 2. Again, sinubstitute natin yung mga values nila. Okay, then after that, of course, PEMDAS, dito muna tayo sa parenthesis. So, distributive property muna tayo. We're going to multiply 3 to x and to negative 2. So, simply copy y minus 1 equals 3 times x, that is 3x, 3 times negative 2, that is negative 6. Okay? After that, okay, di ba dapat lahat ng variable nasa left side, then constant nasa right side. So, si positive 3x, tra-transpose natin dito sa left side. Si negative 1 naman, since constant, itra-transpose natin sa right side. Okay, since we're going to transpose them, ibig sabihin magbabago ng sign. So, si positive 3x, pag transpose, magiging negative 3x. So, copy plus y equals copy negative 6, then si negative 1, since transpose, magiging positive 1. Okay? Oh, then after that, okay, combined like terms muna. So, negative 6 plus 1, since magkaiba ng sign, so subtract, then copy the sign with the higher value. So, it will become negative 3x plus y equals negative 5. Okay. Not yet in standard form kasi negative pa si x. So, multiply both sides by negative 1. So, therefore, this will become negative times negative, magiging positive 3x. Then, negative times positive, so minus y equals, so negative times negative, positive 5. So, therefore, this is now the standard form. Now, medyo mahaba yung steps sa pag-solve, di ba? Actually, meron pa namang isang way. Okay? May second method pa in solving this one. Okay? So, papakita ko yung second method. Yung second method, hindi na natin gagamitin yung formula. Okay? Itong formula na to. So, iba na. So, in second method, first is you're going to identify the slope. Okay? So, first is identify the slope. Okay? Your slope is 3. Okay? Now, sa slope kasi, okay, pag given si slope, that is x over y. Ibig sabihin, yung numerator si x, yung denominator si y. So, since yung slope natin ay 3, gawin muna natin siyang fraction. Diba? Ang fraction lang naman ng whole number is magiging ang denominator niya ay 1. So, magiging 3 over 1. Okay? Then, diba, ang standard form is ax plus by equals c. So, since, diba, si numerator, si x, si denominator, si 1, ibig sabihin, si 3 dito, magiging x or 3x. Then, si 1, magiging 1y or y. But, okay, ang second step natin, mag-change kasi ng sign. If the slope is positive, okay, si y dyan ay magiging negative. Pero, kapag si slope ay negative, si y ay positive. Okay? This time, ang value dito ng slope ay positive, di ba? Positive 3. So, ibig sabihin, si y daw dapat ay negative. So, therefore, kapag sinulat natin siya in standard form, we have here now 3x. Then, di ba dapat again negative si y kasi positive si slope. So, minus y equals, ang kailangan natin ngayon ay si c. So, paano natin mahanap yung value ni c? Para mahanap yung value ni c, okay, gagamitin natin etong coordinates. Diba, ang given na coordinates or point is 2 and 1. Okay? So, now, again, si 2 para sa value ni x, si y, si 1 para kay y. So, substitute lang muna natin dito. Okay? So, magiging 3 times value ni x ay 2. So, 3 times 2. Then, minus y is 1. So, minus 1 equals, so, 3 minus 2, 3 times 2, this is 6 minus 1. So, 6 minus 1 equals 5. Etong nakuha natin, ito ngayon yung magiging c. So, therefore, kumpleto na tayo ng equation. So, c is 5. Therefore, the answer is, we have 3x minus y equals 5. So, diba? Kung napansin nyo, pareho lang ng sagot. Okay. So, again, dito sa second method, ang first step is to identify the slope. Kapag whole number si slope, lagyan mo lang ng over 1. Yung numerator siya yung magiging x, yung denominator si y. Then, kapag positive si slope, negative dapat si y. Okay? Kaya naging 3x minus y. Then, para makuha si constant, gagamitin natin yung coordinates. Okay, yung given na coordinates is substitute lang natin yun kay x at y. Kaya naging 3, imbis na x, it will become 2 minus y, so minus 1. Okay, then operate. So, 3 times 2, that is 6, minus 1 equals 5. Pag nakuha mo na yung answer, ayun na yung magiging c mo. Kaya, it become 3x minus y equals 5. Next example, find the equation of the line in standard form given m equals negative 2/3 and a point 3, 5. So again, we're going to use the point slope form because the given is a point and a slope. So dalawa way yung ipapakita natin sa pag-solve, again using the formula and the second method. So first is, formula muna tayo. The formula again is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. Again, sa given coordinates, yung first coordinate is your x sub 1, second is y sub 1. So, substitute natin yung values. So, y minus y sub 1 is 5. So, minus 5 equals, m is negative 2/3. So, negative 2/3 times x minus, you have 3. Okay. So, multiply muna ulit natin. Copy y minus 5 equals, so negative 2/3 times x, that is negative 2/3 x. Then, negative 2/3 times negative 3, again, di ba, kapag nagmumultiply tayo, dun lang sa numerator. So, that is negative times negative, so magiging positive 6 over 3. Or, pwede natin i-simplify itong 6 over 3, di ba? It will become 2. Okay? Then, we're going to transpose negative 2/3 x. Tapos, si negative 5 dito naman din sa kabila. So, we're going to have negative 2/3. Pag kinanspose, magiging positive 2/3 x plus y equals 6 over 3, diba naging 2 na lang, equals 2. Transpose si negative 5, so plus 5. Then, combined natin. So, 2 plus 5, that is equal to 7. So, we have 2/3 x plus y equals 7. Not yet in standard form kasi fraction pa. So, multiply both sides of the equation by the denominator 3. Okay? So, since again, di ba pareho naman si whole number at si denominator cancel, ang matitira na lang si numerator. So, you have 2x, then multiply 3 times y plus 3y equals 3 times 7 equals 21. So, therefore, this is now the standard form. Second method, again, ang first step, di ba, sa second method is the slope. So, slope is negative 2/3. Again, di ba, sa slope, si numerator siya si x, si denominator, that is your y. So, you have 2x tapos 3y. Now, since, di ba, negative yung value ng slope, kaya yung operation or si y ay magiging positive. Laging kabaliktaran. Equals, so para makuha natin si c, gagamitin natin again itong coordinates na 3 and 5. Okay? So 3 and 5. So, substitute x, y. So, it will become 2. Imbis na x, magiging 3. Then, plus 3 imbis na y, it will become 5. Okay, so let's operate. 2 times 3, that is 6. Plus 3 times 5, that is 15. So 6 plus 15 is 21. Therefore, this is now the value of C. Kaya, ang answer natin is, we have there 2x plus 3y equals 21. So, this is now the standard form. Kung napapansin nyo, di ba, pareho lang lagi naman talaga ng sagot yan. So, it's up to you kung anong gagamitin mo, kung yung formula or yung second method. Next example, find the equation of the line in standard form given the slope of negative 2 and passing through point negative 1, negative 4. Again, we're going to use the point slope form kasi given si point and si slope. So again, first, using the formula, y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. So substitute ulit natin. M, ang slope natin ay si negative 2. This is m. Then, negative 1, it will be our x sub 1, negative 4, y sub 1. So substitute the value. Y minus y sub 1. So, y minus negative 4 equals m is negative 2. So, negative 2 times x minus x sub 1 is negative 1. So, change muna natin yung signs kasi diba, both negative. So, it will become y plus 4. Then, x minus negative 1. So, magiging x plus 1. So, multiply. Distribute muna natin. So, negative 2 times x and negative 2 times 1. So, copy. Y plus 4 equals. So, negative 2 times x, that is negative 2x. Negative 2 times 1 is negative 2. Then, transpose. So, negative 2x, transpose natin sa left side. Positive 4, transpose sa right side. So, negative 2x magiging positive 2x plus y equals negative 2. Then, si positive 4 magiging negative 4. Then, combined. So, we have here, simply copy 2x plus y, then combine both negative, pag kinombine, diba, add, then copy the sign, equals negative 6. So, this is now the answer. So, second method tayo. Okay. So, again, dun muna tayo kay slope. Slope is negative 2. So, negative 2. Again, di ba? Since whole number, gagawin natin fraction. So, over 1. So, si 2, that is x. Si 1 ay si y. So, you have 2x and y. So, again, since negative si slope, kaya ang operation or si y ay magiging positive. Then, solve for c. Ang ating points ay negative 1, negative 4. So, negative 1 si x, negative 4 si y. Substitute. So, 2 times x, which is negative 1, plus y is negative 4. So, 2 times negative 1, so negative 2, then minus 4. Again, same sign, so add equals negative 6. So, therefore, the answer is 2x plus y equals negative 6.